Imagine waking up beside a peaceful mountain lake. The sun is just beginning to rise, the water is perfectly still, and all you can hear is the sound of nature around you. You open the blinds, step into a beautifully designed living space, brew a fresh cup of coffee, and enjoy the view from the comfort of your own luxury home on wheels. No hotel reservations, no crowded airports, and no strict schedules. Just complete freedom to travel wherever the road takes you. Now imagine having all of that in a motorhome that's compact enough to handle narrow roads and small villages, yet spacious enough to feel like a premium apartment. It sounds like a difficult balance to achieve, but that's exactly what the Malibu I 441 kilobytes LE promises to deliver. Today, we're taking a closer look at this impressive integrated motorhome to find out whether it truly deserves the title of one of the best compact motorhomes on the market. From the moment you first see the Malibu I 441 kilobytes LE, it's clear that this is not an ordinary motorhome. The sleek integrated design immediately gives it a premium and sophisticated appearance. Unlike traditional coach-built motorhomes, the front section blends seamlessly into the living area, creating a modern and elegant profile that looks more like a luxury touring vehicle than conventional RV. The styling is clean, refined, and distinctly European. Large panoramic windows enhance both the exterior appearance and the overall travel experience, while the carefully sculpted bodywork creates a sense of quality that stands out from the crowd. Even when parked, the Malibu has a presence that attracts attention. One of the most impressive aspects of this motorhome is its ability to combine compact dimensions with premium comfort. Many luxury motorhomes offer incredible living space, but they can be intimidating to drive and difficult to maneuver in tight locations. On the other hand, smaller campervans are easy to handle but often require significant compromises when it comes to comfort and practicality. The Malibu I 441 kilobytes LE sits perfectly between these two extremes. Its size makes it much easier to drive through historic villages, mountain roads, coastal routes, and busy towns, while still providing the comfort and convenience expected from a high-end motorhome. For travelers who enjoy exploring beyond the main tourist routes, this is a major advantage. As you walk around the exterior, you'll notice the excellent build quality that Malibu is known for. The storage compartments feel solid and well-engineered, the body panel fit together beautifully, and every detail appears carefully considered. This attention to craftsmanship creates confidence, especially for buyers planning long journeys across different climates and road conditions. Stepping inside, the first thing that stands out is a feeling of openness. Considering the compact dimensions of the vehicle, the interior feels remarkably spacious. This is where intelligent design makes all the difference. Natural light floods the cabin through the large windows, creating a bright and welcoming atmosphere throughout the day. The modern furniture design, premium materials, and tasteful color palette combine to create a space that feels stylish without becoming overly complicated. It's the kind of interior that instantly makes you want to start traveling. The lounge area is particularly inviting. The comfortable seating arrangement creates a relaxing space where you can unwind after a day of adventure. Imagine spending the afternoon exploring a beautiful coastal town before returning to your motorhome in the evening. You settle into the lounge with a drink, watch the sunset through the panoramic windows, and reflect on the day's experiences. That's exactly the lifestyle this motorhome is designed to support. The dining area works equally well whether you're enjoying breakfast before hitting the road, sharing dinner with friends, or planning your next destination. The versatility of the space means it can easily adapt to different situations throughout the day. Moving into the kitchen, it's clear that practicality has been a priority during the design process. A great motorhome isn't simply about having somewhere to sleep. It's about creating a space where daily life feels comfortable and enjoyable, even when you're hundreds of miles away from home. The kitchen in the Malibu I 441 kilobytes LE is compact but extremely well organized. Everything is positioned within easy reach, making meal preparation simple and convenient. The cooking facilities provide everything needed for everyday use, while the available workspace allows you to prepare meals without feeling restricted. Whether you're making a quick breakfast before an early departure or preparing a full evening meal after a long day of sightseeing, the kitchen is designed to handle the task efficiently. Storage throughout the vehicle deserves special recognition. One of the biggest challenges in compact motorhomes is finding enough room for all the essentials required during extended trips. Malibu has addressed this challenge exceptionally well. Cabinets, drawers, overhead lockers, and cleverly designed compartments are integrated throughout the interior. This allows travelers to store clothing, kitchen supplies, outdoor equipment, electronics, and personal belongings in an organized manner. The result is an interior that remains tidy and comfortable even during longer journeys. The bathroom is another area where intelligent design becomes apparent. In many compact motorhomes, the bathroom can feel like an afterthought. However, Malibu has managed to create a practical and comfortable washroom that makes excellent use of the available space. The layout is efficient and user-friendly, providing all the essentials needed for life on the road. The shower area is designed for daily use, while the sink and toilet arrangement offers convenience without making the room feel cramped. For travelers spending extended periods away from campsites or hotels, having a functional bathroom can significantly improve the overall travel experience, and the Malibu performs very well in this area. Now let's talk about one of the most important parts of any motorhome, the sleeping accommodation. After a long day of driving, exploring, hiking, or sightseeing, a comfortable bed becomes one of the most valuable features a vehicle can offer. The Malibu I 441 kilobytes LE features a rear twin bed layout that has become increasingly popular among experienced motorhome owners. There are several reasons why this configuration works so well. First, each traveler has easy access to their own bed without disturbing the other person. Second, the arrangement creates a genuine bedroom atmosphere rather than simply providing a place to sleep. And third, the overall layout helps maximize storage and living space throughout the rest of the vehicle. The beds appear spacious, supportive, and designed with comfort in mind. Whether you're enjoying a weekend getaway or embarking on a month-long road trip, a good night's sleep is essential, and the Malibu is clearly focused on delivering that comfort. Another feature that adds flexibility is the drop-down bed positioned above the cab area. This clever solution allows additional sleeping space to be created whenever required. For couples, the rear twin beds may be all that's needed. However, when guests join the adventure or family members come along for a trip, the extra sleeping accommodation becomes incredibly useful. This versatility increases the overall practicality of the vehicle and makes it suitable for a wider range of travel situations. Whether you're planning weekend escapes, cross-country journeys, or extended travels across Europe and beyond, this motorhome offers a freedom to explore without giving up the comforts of home. And ultimately, that's what the motorhome lifestyle is all about. Waking up to incredible views, discovering new places, following your own schedule, and creating unforgettable memories wherever the road leads. The driving position offers excellent visibility, helping drivers feel confident on both highways and smaller roads. Large windows create an open feeling behind the wheel, while the integrated design contributes to a more refined and premium driving experience. Because the vehicle remains relatively compact compared to larger luxury motorhomes, maneuvering is significantly easier. Parking becomes less stressful, navigating narrow streets feels more manageable, and drivers can explore locations that might be challenging for larger RVs. For many owners, this balance between comfort and drivability may be one of the vehicle's biggest strengths. Another area worth mentioning is year-round usability. Many travelers want the freedom to explore in every season rather than limiting their adventures to summer months. Whether you're chasing autumn colors through the countryside, enjoying spring road trips, or even venturing into colder regions during winter, insulation and construction quality become extremely important. Malibu's reputation for premium engineering helps provide confidence in a variety of weather conditions, making the motorhome suitable for a wide range of travel styles and destinations. When we look at the overall package, what makes the Malibu I 441 kilobytes LE stand out is its remarkable balance. Some motorhomes focus heavily on luxury but become too large and difficult to manage. Others prioritize compact dimensions but sacrifice comfort and convenience. Malibu has successfully combined the best qualities of both approaches. You get premium styling, intelligent design, comfortable sleeping arrangements, excellent storage solutions, practical living spaces, and manageable dimensions all within one carefully engineered motorhome. That's not an easy achievement. For couples seeking freedom and adventure, the Malibu offers a compelling package. For travelers who enjoy discovering hidden destinations away from crowded tourist areas, its compact size becomes a major advantage. And for buyers who want premium features without stepping up to a much larger vehicle, it represents a very attractive option. Now we'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you think the Malibu I 441 kilobytes LE could be the ultimate compact motorhome? Or is there another model that you believe does the job even better? Let us know down in the comments because we'd love to hear which motorhome you would choose for your dream road trip. As we come to the end of today's tour, one thing is certain. The Malibu I 441 kilobytes LE proves that compact doesn't have to mean compromise. It successfully combines comfort, practicality, luxury, and drivability into a package that feels ready for almost any adventure. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest motorhome and RV tours. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.